Hello, welcome back. 2E0FGX here, Matt. As you can see on my bench, I have got a blue looking battery pack, which will be, this is the completed battery pack for my 18650 lithium iron phosphate build. So I've wrapped all the cells with this. I'm going to say it's a heat shrink. It's more like a battery wrap because it is very thick plastic. I had to use a very industrial strength heat gun. You could try to use a hairdryer, but it would be quite a bit of heat. And I'm using XT60s. And it actually says on the side the plugs. Put it in here in picture. Positive side. And negative side. Well, these are for RC use. And then the other side in there. So basically what I do is you've got that little recess around the connectors, which if you get some heat shrink, you can get some heat shrink to fit in that little recess and shrink it all down. Like what I've done on here. That's just some glue, because it's got some glue lined heat shrink. So that's definitely not coming off. Very good connection. So I was going to use power poles, but power poles, I've never had the pop at all, and I've tried to solder them. But to me, these are a more easier connector to do. So yeah, so I've obviously got my positive and negative on here. Got my balance lead for the charging, and I've got a voltmeter. Or battery indicator. See, that's 100% at the minute. I charged it the other day, and 13.3 volts. So obviously you can just flick that on when you want and find in your voltage. But also what you could do is you can get a hobby cell meter, which you can plug into here, and you can tell the voltage of each bank of cells. So basically this battery wrap comes in a big tube. You can put your arm for it, sort of thing. Yeah, so that's the size it comes in. Well, it gets lots of different sizes, but I had to measure the circumference of the battery pack and find the one closest to it, so, and shrink it down, which I haven't done a too bad a job, I don't think. But I've got some spare for do another build, or need to recase it. So now what I've got to do is to test it. I know it powers up and works and gives voltage, but I need to do a field test really. I'm not sure when I'm doing another SOTA activation next. I've got a few things on my plate. Obviously bought the Landy TD5 Disco 2, doing a few things to that. I expect I'm going to go do a SOTA activation not far after Christmas, being we are the 14th of December. So in the next few weeks I'll go do a SOTA activation somewhere. Probably Welsh borders, or I may even go down to, there's a couple near Maidenhead that way, watch it, etc. There's a couple down there, make it go do some down there. Yeah, it would be good to try it out. Excuse me. Or of course I may just go up on a hill, sit in a car with the 818 and just try it for an hour on FM, on 2 meter FM, call into some repeaters or some call on call channel, and obviously QSY, and just have a bit of a chat round, and then after an hour operating on 5 watts, 6 watts, we could see what sort of power is dropped. So anyway, yeah, so I think that's a pretty good build there, for considering I know I did pay for the batteries initially when I bought the one that I took them out of, but it's recycled it, and I already had the meter. I already had the wire. I did find the other piece of wire because somebody commented I should have had different colours, which yes, I agree, but I couldn't find any at the time. But now I found some in my box of cable, so no mistaking what's live and what's neutral. So the only things I had to order really was the battery wrap, the connectors themselves, the balance lead I already had. I've got a balance lead here, I've got an extension. So yeah, so I only had to order the kit, the battery wrap, and the XT90 connectors. So it doesn't cost that much. £45 at the most. So not too bad. Let's see, I've done a too bad job wrapping it. Yeah, it's a bit awkward to do the ends really, but you do as best as you can. Obviously you wrap it so all your contacts on the tube side rather than the open side. But anyway, that's it for the conclusion for this build, but there will be a video in the not so far distant future of me using it. So just a quick one guys, wrapping this battery build up, and till next time, all the best and 7 threes. Thank you.